Welcome to Legal Reads. My name is Amanda, and I wanted to take a moment to introduce myself and explain what this channel is all about. If you're here, you're probably interested in true crime, legal matters, or the inner workings of the justice system. A lot of times, when we hear about legal cases or high-profile criminal trials, we only get snippets. News outlets, podcasts, and YouTube channels often pull out just the most dramatic or eye-catching parts of the legal documents, but there's so much more to these cases than what gets highlighted. Full legal documents, like indictments or lawsuit filings, aren't always easy to find or read. They can be long, dense, and emotionally heavy. But I believe there's a real value in reading these documents in full. And that's where this channel comes in. My goal is to make these legal documents more accessible by reading them out loud in their entirety with a human voice. I know that for some people, just hearing these things read by a real person rather than an AI can make a difference. There's a level of comfort in having someone guide you through tough, sometimes traumatic material, and that's what I hope to offer here. I encourage you to read the description of each video for information on content and a very brief overview of what I'll be reading about if you're not familiar with the case, so you'll know what to expect before diving in. So, what kind of documents can you expect on this channel? You'll hear me read a variety of publicly available legal filings, things like indictments, criminal complaints, lawsuit filings, and potentially even portions of court transcripts, particularly opening and closing statements, from both contemporary and historical cases of interest. I believe that by making these documents more accessible, it helps demystify the legal process. We often hear about justice being served or not served, but understanding how the legal system works and what's happening behind the headlines can give us a more informed perspective on these cases. At the same time, I want this channel to be a space where we can acknowledge the heavy realities of these documents together. Legal proceedings involve real people, real victims, and real consequences, and I'll do my best to approach these readings with the respect and seriousness they deserve. So if you're interested in hearing full legal documents read by a human, you're in the right place. Thanks for listening to this introduction, and I look forward to reading with you in the next video.